Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Dailymotion account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap and open Dailymotion application. At the very first page of Dailymotion, you tap on already have an account, log in. First, you need to get logged into your account, so you need to provide your registered email address and password. Tap on Log In. As you can see, at the bottom of right corner, Library option, tap on it. At the very top on right corner, you can see Settings option, tap on it. Tap on Account. Here you can see the option of Change Password. Tap on it. To change your password, first of all you need to provide your current password, so go for it. Now go in for providing a new password for your account that must contain at least 8 characters with special symbols. Retype your password for the confirmation. Tap on Done. Your password for the account has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Dailymotion account password. Thank you.